So here's the game plan. The Chad, he's seen a TikTok where the first one is, oh, the buggy driver can't keep up and transport rolls up underneath, and then the next one you see the guy's backing up with a straight trailer. So he wants to see if we can do this with B trains. Let's make it happen. Oh, how magical, we're stuck. So yeah, he's a little stuck. So at the top, Owen didn't quite catch before he came down to the bottom. We just got half an inch of rain. Up here it's beach sand, perfectly dry. Anyways, he got to the side of this hill and a little greasy, so. Anyways, this is what it takes to make good content for you people, is getting stuck. And he's still gonna do this backwards.
He just did, but backwards I think. We'll do it in the pup. Okay, in the pup. Okay, guys. Hey.
I think so.
What do you think is gonna be better for cinematic?
I don't know, what do you guys think? This is gonna be too late, but I think the back pup for sure, because then we can see all the fancy driving.
That's right. Like if you're like somebody's in the buddy seat of the combine, they're looking out, and it's like, oh, I've seen this before, and this isn't that cool. Everybody does that, and then all of a sudden you keep going. It's like, oh my sweet Jesus.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I think that's gonna look better.
I think so.
Do one when we're filling, and then maybe have Wesley fill you, and then we'll do the last one. And then you
Topping it up.
Topping it
Oh
up.
yeah, that's even better. You can't put this on YouTube though, because everybody knows we're cheating then.
No, well, it'll be on TikTok before YouTube. Easy. There. That wasn't a big deal. Good news. Four-wheel drive works quite nicely. And so do these big tires.
Just so we're aware, we have shut down 2 farming operations to make a 10-minute video. Says I still got it.
Success!
It didn't even spill any. It was just starting to spill.
That's okay. That's what I said, Tom. When you get in position again, then we'll, oh, whatever. We can fill them up, and then you can have her, we can top you up. Okay. What do you think?
What's that?
We want to get you. Oh, it's right. We need to get you back in position one more time.
That worked out good.
Good.
Nice driving.
Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah, let's stay there.
You got stuff. You got stuff.
Oh, he needs his walkie.
He needs the walkie.
I'll tell him he's been replaced.
Yeah, that's right. So that was some fun. Oh god. Anyways, back to farming. Let's go. Carry on. This is the next day of the afternoon. The rest of the day went fairly flawless, not too much to tape. Hopefully today is going to be the same thing. Get some wagons down to the field. It was super foggy this morning, so we're kind of letting the sorry, we're letting the sun dry everything. Just going over the corn head quickly, and we should be ready to rock. Okay, they are going to head to the field. I'm actually gonna go grab lunch. Like, it is 2 minutes to noon, so you gotta eat. So it should work out good by the time I get back with food. Hopefully they have a set of wagons full for me to bring back here. So the day should roll on. Dinner from the Twisted Sisters. Burgers and pulled pork sandwiches. It's gonna be good. So, it's been a pretty nice and uneventful day. Hopefully it stays like that. We need to fill 2 more sets of wagons and the buggy. Call it a day, make sure the dryer runs all night. Possibly finish corn tomorrow, so that will be good. So, I'm gonna keep running back and forth. Make sure you like, subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.